That's what we're promoting right now. Inclusivity.
Just to show people that we care about one another.
You have an obligation. Somebody got you here to say it.
So I urge you to make a difference.